All right, today we're going to talk about how to save files from your email to your Google Drive. So you can receive two different types of files. You can receive one that somebody sends you from your desktop, or you can receive one that somebody sends you from their Google Drive. So let's start with the one from the desktop. You'll open the email. And you will hover over whatever they send you. In this case, it is an image. You'll have the option to download to your computer or add to your drive. So I'm going to click on Add to my drive. If I click on Organize, it allows me to put it in a specific place in my drive. So say I want it in my Pictures folder. I can move it there. And then it says it has been moved to my Pictures folder on my drive. Awesome, perfect, done. Next, I can look at files that people send me from their Google Drive. So in this case, I'm just going to use this one as an example. You hover over it again and it has the Organize in Drive button. So you'll click on that. And same thing. You can put it in your folders. So I already put it in my Pictures folder, but if I wanted to move it, I can click Move this item, click on my drive, and select a folder for it to move to. So let's say can't move it there because it's already in there, so let's click on it even more and say I want to put it in my graphics. So just another subfolder within that folder, I can click Move there. Now, if I go to my Google Drive, there's another option that I could look at. So say, for example, and if we want confirmation that they're there, they're not going to load. So we'll get that confirmation. Oh, there we go. There's the confirmation that my file from my computer made it to that drive that I wanted. And that document that was shared with me is here where I wanted it, ready to go. We can trust the Google software. So another way is, say that somebody sends me an email and I want to review the resource that they sent with me, but they sent that email like 2 weeks ago and I've received so many emails since then. I can go with Shared with Me. And anything on Google that somebody attaches to an email that is sent to me either directly or kind of as a mass email shows up in my Shared with Me drive. So I can search people up here. Maybe it was from somebody who sent it to me, or maybe it's from Chain or Christina. I can search whoever somebody sent me something. And then I can click on that document. So today we had a planning meeting with the River teachers. I want to save it to my drive. I can click Add to my drive after I right click. Then I can click Organize. And then again, put it wherever I want it to go for wherever I want it to go within my drive. So let's just put it in graphics again. And then that is how you organize files from your email into your Google Drive.